afternoon, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are again with another Quiltopia update. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's where you'll catch all these updates. I am here with Jenny from Black Possum. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
That's
really
good. That's good. And Jenny, you're going to be in the marketplace at Quiltopia.
I am, yep.
So for anyone that doesn't know the marketplace at Quiltopia, we've got all sorts of tutors from around the world coming over to be at Quiltopia. We've got machines, but it's going to be happening in the marketplace behind, isn't
Absolutely,
it?
absolutely.
Yes, so you've got to come and see us in there and everything.
Yep.
Now, Jenny, would you like to just tell us where you're from and what your business is all about?
Well, I'm from Black Possum Fabrics in Tea Gardens.
Yes, yes.
Which is about an hour north of Newcastle.
Wonderful.
And I love coming to Craft Alive and to Quiltopia in particular.
Yes, yes.
And yeah, we do our own designs as well as other people's.
Wonderful.
And you get to see all the new fabrics.
And you do
stained glass with fabric.
Wonderful, yes. So we can check those out, guys.
And also mini pin cushions.
Little mini cushions, and you're going to be demonstrating those on your stand and everything.
I'll demonstrate them on my stand.
Quiltopia, 3rd to 6th of October.
Absolutely.
Rose Hill Events Centre. We're going to be there, aren't we?
We will.
Yep. So you're from Rose Hill. You've got different fabrics and that sort of thing. We're going to be in that marketplace. We're going to be busy and have lots of people come through.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Long weekend, 3 days. Don't forget, with the cocktail party on the night before.
Wonderful.
Yes, it's going to be absolutely wonderful. And you've got lots of different fabrics, and everyone's going to pick a couple up here. We've got lots of different fabrics and that that Jenny will have at the marketplace.
And embroideries and
that as well. Jenny, thank you so much. This is a quick little update. We've only got 2 weeks before it's actually happening.
I know,
So yeah, it's going to be fantastic. So thanks for being here.
Thank
Guys,
you.
don't forget Quiltopia, 3rd to 6th of October. We're going to be at Rose Hill. Bring yourselves down and have a great 3 days. Watch my channel. Don't forget, we've got lots of different things up and different videos of all the different tutors and marketplace people. So subscribe to the channel, watch the channel, and keep sewing and happy sewing.